Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my morning routine with this 3-minute breakfast idea. Imagine having a morning routine that sets you up for success, where you feel energized, focused, and ready to tackle the day. Sounds amazing, right? Well, I've got a game changer for you today, a 3-minute breakfast idea that's going to revolutionize your mornings. Let's face it, mornings can be crazy, and it's easy to skip breakfast or settle for something unhealthy on the go. But we all know that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, providing the energy and nutrients we need to power through our busy lives. The problem is, not many of us have the time or energy to prepare a nutritious breakfast in the morning. I mean, who hasn't hit the snooze button one too many times and ended up scrambling to get out the door on time? We've all been there, rushing around, grabbing a coffee and a pastry, and hoping for the best. But the truth is, that's not a sustainable way to start your day. You need something that's going to give you a boost, not a crash later on. And that's exactly what this 3-minute breakfast idea is all about. We're not talking about sacrificing flavor or nutrition for convenience here. This breakfast is quick, easy, and packed with goodness. So, what do you need to get started? Just a few simple ingredients: rolled oats, almond milk, frozen berries, chia seeds, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Yep, that's it. You probably have most of these ingredients in your pantry already. The best part is, you can customize this breakfast to your taste preferences. Want a bit more sweetness? Add some honey or maple syrup. Need an extra boost of protein? Throw in some nuts or seeds. The options are endless, and I love that about this recipe. Okay, so you've got your ingredients, now let's talk prep time. This is where the magic happens, folks. Simply add your oats, almond milk, and chia seeds to a jar or container, stir, and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, top with your frozen berries and a sprinkle of cinnamon, and you're good to go. It's that simple. The prep time is truly the best part of this recipe. You can do it the night before, or even prep a few jars on the weekend for the week ahead. The point is, you can have a healthy, delicious breakfast in just 3 minutes, without sacrificing any of your valuable morning time. By incorporating this 3-minute breakfast into your morning routine, you'll be giving yourself a nutritional boost, increasing your energy levels, and setting yourself up for a productive day ahead. It's all about making small changes that add up to make a big difference in your life. So, give this breakfast idea a try and see how it can transform your mornings. And don't forget to share your experience in the comments below. If you like this quick and healthy breakfast idea, be sure to subscribe for more recipes and tips to help you start your day off right.